Let's go, everybody. So we are live. Who's ready for today, guys? MLGO jumping 27% yesterday, 39%. We've got a breakout from the 2970, everybody. We got a breakout. We got a breakout for MLGO. And I think now is testing the targets that we discussed lately around the 3112. And yeah, we went until the 3150. So this is the last update, I reckon, that we did for MLGO on the 27th of March. This is the last update for MLGO. So we have to do another update for MLGO price target because we hit all the profit taking once we did the short update here, once the price was below the $20. So guys, MLGO doing pretty fantastic for this day. The second one doing, or that's, yeah, second one is ICCT doing great, and of course BIAF. RSLS I don't like that much, even though it is up 100%, but the trend is kind of dicey. So yeah, MLGO is number one. Let us check if we got something else moving. At the moment, iBio or IBO looking interesting. Yeah, jumping pretty good at the moment. I think this one we already traded before. I remember. Yeah, this one we already traded before. Exactly. So IBO, guys, looking fantastic for a jump. We might have this jump later, but yeah, this one is a bit far, so I'm gonna put it there. Yeah, the top target should be around yeah, $3.99. We have $2.99 and $2.22. Yeah, so this one could be good, guys. IBO right now. The rest, it is history. So those the only stock that looking pretty good for today. Let us check. Interesting. This is it. So I'm gonna put MLGO number one, guys, jumping toward the target 33.27. Guys, shout out to our new member, Said Guadari. Welcome, brother. Welcome, welcome. Thank you for the support. Bonjour, George. How are you doing? Bonjour, mon ami. Yes, MLGO is number one right now. So yeah, MLGO is number one right now, guys. It broke strong resistance at the moment around the $30. Now it's going toward the 33.27. By far the strongest stock. After that, we have ICCT and maybe IBO could be good as well. Those are the top stocks for today. Let us double check for the earning stocks. Nothing. Wednesday, yes, we have RH, maybe it could be good, and BlackBerry reported earning tomorrow. Pre-market, yes, so we got Gate and SATX. I checked them. I think they are really bad technically because they are light on volume. We got nuts or NUTX. Yeah, Gate, I don't like it. This one, nope. Yeah, MLGO is number one still, guys. The only one that jumping at the moment in pre-market. Yeah, testing a new level around the 3250. For the rest of the stock, we got Tesla guys jumping up today, doing a nice jump, but now it's pulling back. SMCI is still below the resistance, so the market is a bit neutral. Yesterday we have a really good recovery for the market for most stocks, and SPY ended up in green, so it's not totally bad. Let me just show you what's going on with the market yesterday. You see, Apple ended up in green with Walmart 3%, Apple 2%, Visa 2%. So most of stocks end up in green a bit yesterday. Not bad for the market. MLGO guys squeezing to Falahala. MLGO is squeezing. Is going, guys. Is going toward the 33.27. Let me know, guys, what you think about MLGO. Are we gonna have a squeeze to ultimate target or not? Yes, this one could be the one, guys, to go and squeeze some more. Yeah, this one could be the one that we should watch out for. We got target right now, guys, for MLGO to hit just below the 33. Yes, now we hit the first profit taking, guys. The first profit taking got hit for MLGO. That's why we might have a pullback. Yeah, around the 33. And the other target is around the 41, the ultimate target, I think. Let's see how much we could do if we still jumping 23%. Yeah, it's doable. So yeah, for MLGO, guys, is about to get shorted big time here. So be extremely careful around the 33. And for now, we got, yeah, support here around the 29.70. But currently, guys, is testing a resistance for MLGO around the 33.45. Huge resistance witnessed. Holy moly, look at that. Yeah, MLGO is madness right now. Pure madness. And I think the reason that MLGO is still holding the gain after this news 4 days ago, huge news regarding WIMI increasing stake in MLGO. And of course, we got a huge squeeze right now for MLGO. ICCT nothing, IBO nothing, BIAF nothing. So the only one, guys, in the market that doing all right is MLGO. The rest is kind of weak for me. So yeah, MLGO is the only winner for today. The only winner for today. Yeah, we got the 33.43 right now. Yeah, 33.43, 33.86, 34. What price we said here? 43. Yes, 43 should be the top target, but a bit risky to hold, guys, after hitting right now the 33. So 43.90, yes, before the 44. Now we might have a little pullback, guys, because from yesterday we jumped a lot, 40%, so we might have a pullback. MLGO is crazy. As a reminder, guys, last update we did it around the 27th of March, once the price was around the 15. Now we hit two targets, 24 and 31, and now it's going toward the ultimate around the 44. We did 100% and now more than 100% in just a few days. Madness it witnessed. Madness. MLGO is the best stock for this year, guys. Yeah, MLGO is the best. I think it's the new GameStop right now. Don't say that. I think a lot of apes will hear you and they get angry. TNON is not my cup of tea, brother. He's pulling back. It might reverse now over the 169, 134. So yeah, there is a chance for a reversal here. There's a chance for a reversal. There is a chance for a reversal toward the $3.20. So yeah, we might have a little pullback for MLGO at the market open because we are overextended. If we held the here, guys, over the $30, is mean we're gonna continue toward the 43. But as we said, the 43 should be the ultimate target before a huge flush. Because as you see, guys, this is crazy, man. Look at that. From the $2, no pullback until now. Is that crazy, man? Not even from the $2, from $1.11, guys. $1.11 angel number. And until now, we did almost 3,000%. This is just from the 20th February, guys. Almost, yeah, almost 2 weeks. 2 weeks of squeeze. And of course, after reverse split that we did 1 to 20, that's why it's around the 32 now. Technically, it's not 20 or 30. But yeah, it's getting near the ultimate target right now for a pullback, just below the 43, and if we're lucky, maybe the 66. So yeah, expect a huge pullback after that, guys. MLGO is hitting a milestone. But you see, the trend is really beautiful. The whole market is kind of slow, guys. I think MLGO taking all the energy. So we only got two, guys. ICCT and MLGO are the top targets or the top gainers. With BIAF could be good as well. Yeah, so I'm gonna keep those three, guys, are the top three for today. Because BIAF holding the support 66, so there's a chance to go toward the 88. ICT the same, there's a chance for a breakout here. This one did 600% yesterday. Madness, I know. MLGO is getting crazy now. Again, shout out to our new member. Thank you for the support, Saeed, and being one of our new members and supporter to our YouTube membership. CTOR, I took it from the list, man, because it doesn't look good. CTOR, I just delete it. I just deleted is not because it's too risky, man. Yes, it's still good. Let me just check. CTOR. I can, yeah, CORT is good, but CTOR is not good. Is not good at all, man. If the price is still below the 116, I don't recommend trading this one. Stay away from it. MLGO, it is going up and up. It's doing pretty good right now. How everybody doing? Good morning, everybody. MLGO, guys, as we said, is getting near the top target. We've been squeezing for this one and taking juice from this place since 2 weeks. Good morning, Santush. Good morning, my brother. Hit the like button on the way in, everybody. Don't forget, we always go live every day, 30 minutes before the market open or around 3 p.m. Central European time, 9 a.m. Eastern time if you live in United States. As we said, the MLGO, it is the one to watch for today. Good morning, Emily. Happy Eid. Thank you. Thank you. It's been 2 days since Sunday. Today is Tuesday, so it's been 2 days, Emily. But thank you. So yeah, this one is getting near a technical zone. The top target right now, it is around the 43. We might go a little bit. Yeah. So we might have a pullback before going toward the 43. The pullback should be over the 30 because right now it is kind of overextended from my side. We got few levels we might pull back to because right now, for my opinion, it is overextended. Yeah, the 33 should be a level of resistance right now. Yeah, we might have a pullback before the market open, guys, for MLGO. So be careful. I think it's wise to exit and wait for a little pullback. Like what happened yesterday, we got a nice jump, then pullback. This happened yesterday, we have a huge pullback, almost 18%. And here, if we have a pullback, it could be, yeah, 18% as well. Here, I think we're gonna push back below here around the 2760 if we have a pullback for MLGO. ICCT is still holding, MLGO still holding. Okay, let's see if we, yeah, I'm gonna bring the disclaimer before I forget. Yeah, we got 8 minutes left. So we still have a room to do a little jump before the market open. Emily, Morocco was yesterday. Interesting. Nice name. Stay focused always. Nice. But technically, it's really hard to stay focused, guys, always. It's kind of impossible to stay focused all the time because staying focused, you need energy. And of course, we have finite amount of energy. And you need to relax in order to have laser focus. Otherwise, you can't be focused and tense at all the time because you're gonna be, yeah, it's not, it's not, it's not healthy. For MLGO, 40, 50, 35. Yeah, for now, brother, if you already entered, it's kind of now is resistant just below the 30, 34, 33, so we might have a pullback, but still there's room to go toward the 44 and 66. After that, I think we're gonna have a huge pullback. But yeah, technically still strong, fundamentally still strong, but I expect a pullback, guys, because it's kind of overextended right now. And MLGO, every time it's pulled back, so this is normal. We might have a pullback of 20% or more to recorrect. It's not flushing. I'm not saying flushing, because as long as we hold the 20 is not flush. So MLGO, we already discussed it before, guys, on our Discord and Patreon many times before, once the price was around the $14, once the price was around the $11. Every time we squeeze, and we were drinking and eating this majestic stock since the price was around the $5, guys. It was best entry back here on the 24th of March, guys. If you don't know, now you know. If you missed this one, Tomby, good luck next time, because this is by far the best stock for this year. I'm talking about the best stock for this year that held for 2 weeks straight the bullish momentum. Most stocks jump in one day and flush. MLGO is the only stock for this year that did 2000% in just 2 weeks, and still jumping. Not 2000, even 3000, I think. Evening big on the MVST. Iron big on MVST. MVST. Let's check this one out. Yeah. The earn it went down, brother. It didn't hold the support, so it was a bit risky play. MLGO still holding, and I think we got 5 minutes left. Okay, guys, MLGO, we might have a pullback before the market open, so it's wise to take a bit of profit from it because we expect huge pullback at the market open. So I might have, yeah, I might exit right now is better, because I expect a pullback at the market open, a huge pullback coming. Yeah, now we only have 5 minutes left. We always have this kind of reaction, guys. Market pulled back for many stocks before the market open. Come on, go up a bit. Yeah, now is good. Yeah. Okay, I'm selling now. It's really too dangerous, guys. It's too dangerous. I expect a pullback. ICCT still holding the gains, still holding the support, and BIAF. Those are the only three stocks, guys, for today. So disclaimer before we start our live stream here, guys, remember we always go live every day. We're not financial advisors, so always do your due diligence before you put your money on the line. And of course, hit the like and subscribe so you don't miss any of my future update. So let's get right to it and discuss the top three unicorn for today. First of all, we got MLGO, the majestic stock that been doing great since the 24th of March when we spotted this breakout, guys. Beautiful breakout from the 573, and we were looking for it every time we update, every time, from the 5 to the 11, from the 11 to 14, from the 14 finally toward the top target we said, the 31, and now we hit the 33 or 34. So yeah, it's time for a little pullback. ICCT, this one from yesterday, top gainer from yesterday and this week, almost 700% in one day. Today it's 40%. If we want to have another 400, 200, we need to break the 350, guys. It is kind of squeezing inside this channel. If we broke the channel at the market open, it means we're gonna correct down. So it's still on the waiting list. BIAF, the second or the third one, have a resistance to break around the 85. This one could be good. Have a psychological level to go around the $1. Nice. We've got 2 minutes left, guys. 2 minutes left at the market open. Hit the like. Let's get right to the point. GRI have a major squeeze. Oh boy, yeah, it's having major squeeze. This one have a reverse split 1 to 17 lately. And yes, sir. We have this, we have that, we have this. Yeah, we got earnings coming up. So yeah, this one, it is too risky to play. So I don't trust it that much, man. It just jumped right now. Just right now jumped. So it is a bit risky play. I'm gonna put it on the list because it jumped big, 170%. Have a target around the $10.30. So we expect a pullback for this one as well. Thank you, Terry Marsh for bringing this one, and Lizzie77. Thank you for bringing it to us, to our vision of field of vision. Okay, guys, this one is still jumping. We got few seconds left. Let's have a nice green day for today. And check MLGO. Yes, MLGO is back to pullback now. Otherwise, I'm gonna feel FOMO. Yeah, and expecting a pullback for this majestic stock. Tesla holding SMCI. Let's see. Today is the market kind of neutral. It's not too red, it's not too green. It is in the between. Let's go, let's go, let's go. The market's open. We got MLGO trying to hold, ICCT trying to hold as well. GRI still holding the gain, but I expect a huge pullback at the moment here. MLGO, time for a pullback, of course. You see, that's why we exited just around the 33. We might have a nice pullback. Nothing much for ICCT and BIAF. SMCI, we have a little green. Tesla, we have a little green. And nothing much here. ICCT is still holding. Boom. BIAF, interesting. Hold up. GRI, squeezing. Guys, this one might get halted up, but I'm not gonna touch it because 200% is too much, man. And there's no real pullback for it. Nothing, nada. So I think it's halted right now, guys. GRI is halted technically. Yeah, GRI is halted. We got CSAI. What's going on with with AI? We got a lot of, anyway, CSAI, APTO, LXEH, and Wave. Let's check those four stocks that got halted. Of course, we got JRI. Interesting. Interesting for both of them. Dead. And this one dead. We only have CSAI that have potential. But again, slow on volume. Jumping a little. We need a perfect setup. Otherwise, I'm not adding it on the list. Yeah, it's not that perfect. So I'll put it on the waiting list. IBO, I think it's game over here. What else we got? BAIF is flushing down. ICCT jumping. MLGO squeezing down. Guys, ICCT is the one right now to watch. We have a breakout. MLGO, time for a pullback, as we suggest. Time for a pullback. We discuss ICCT early in the pre-market, guys. We discussed this one. We said as long as we hold the 288 will be perfect. And look at that. Market pullback and squeeze up. So now is going toward the 428, our target. Yeah, ICCT, great, man. SATX jumped 65%. NMAX. Which stock you talking about? About the 28 pullback? You mean MLGO? Yeah, over the 28. Should be a reversal zone right now. Otherwise, we're gonna flush toward the 22 for MLGO. Yeah, I think we're gonna flush here. So I'm gonna lower it down around the 25. Yeah, the 25 could be good. 25.39. So now we broke the first trend, guys, for MLGO. So we got a weakness for MLGO. So number one is ICCT and GRI. GRI, I'm not trading it because it's too risky. ICCT, it is too good for now. And MLGO, I think, is halted down, guys. Wow, we got a lot of stock got halted. MLGO is halted, guys. GRI, UPC, we got many stock got halted at the moment. Wow. Okay, this is it. MLGO is halted down. It was wise, guys, to exit before this resistance at 34. That's why before the market opened, we suggest to exit by 5 minutes. The exit was perfect here before the market opened, just around this accumulation. After that, if you just stayed, you could be losing 16%. And now we might open around the 25 for a reversal. First reversal zone for this one, for this stock, MLGO. So we should have a little reversal first around the 25. Yeah, we have a neutral market yet. No active, no strong stock yet. For the day trade, of course, ICCT, it is the strongest. You see GRI, guys, tested the 1111 and pulled back. Holy moly. Are you kidding me? We tested the 1111 and went down exactly 1111, man. Now it's halted down GRI. Think it hit a wall. ICCT, it is the one to watch because it's about to hit our target, the 428. Yes, it's about to hit our target, the 428. Yeah, after that, we might get shorted big. So be careful, guys. We might get shorted for ICCT just before the 428. Okay, nice. 440. We broke it without any rejection. Let's see if we close over this level without having a wick would be great. Okay, nice. We have a clear breakout for ICCT. That means we have a big buyer. Now we have the 560 or yeah, around the 538. It could be a good target. This is it. 538 should be a nice target to exit at for ICCT, guys. This one have a limit, guys, to buy just 200 shares. If you're wondering why, we have a limitation here in Europe. Okay, we are temporarily halted, guys, by the Nasdaq. Trading of ICCT is halted. Nice trade, guys, for ICCT. This trade was perfect early on our live streaming because we spotted ICCT there with MLGO. And of course, we said the entry for ICCT just there around this orange line, the $3.50. Yes, the breakout. The support, we held it. It was around 288. So this update was early, guys, before this live streaming. The best entry always in the pre-market, as we said. And now is around the 472. We got 44% on this trade. Not bad. And now it's squeezing up. Yeah, MLGO, it could be a trap. Yeah, that's why we switch MLGO. Holy moly, we have a big seller testing the 2539 right now. Now we should have a reversal if we strong. Yeah, we have a little bit of wick here, so it's okay. Now or never. If we don't reverse now, is me we're gonna dip. Yeah, we're gonna dip toward the 2283. So this is the dip right now, guys, for MLGO. And of course, we got our fake out. The 30 was the top resistant, of course. So the 34 here, it was a trap. Now it's halted again, guys. MLGO halted again. So today we might have a huge red day for the first red day for MLGO if we broke the trend here. But so far, still good. The best one, as we said, ICCT is the best one. MLGO, third of total daily volume, already traded in 5 minutes. Are you kidding me? Let's see. 1 hour. We have, yeah, we have almost half a million in just the first 15 minutes. You have a huge volatility for MLGO. GRI and halted down around the 9. I think, yeah, time for a pullback for GRI. LXRX jumping. Wow, I took it from the list, I think. Yeah, jumping, but I don't like the technical that much, man. I don't like the technical that much. I don't trust it. Anyway, so ICCT, it is the one to watch with MLGO for a reversal and BIAF for a squeeze. ICCT, man, is crazy. Yesterday we did 650 and today 110. So we got CDT reversing from the bottom. ICTT unhalted, guys. We got the target is about to be hit around the 538 and the 679 before a pullback. Yeah, we might hit this level and then flush, guys. Be careful. The flush is coming. CDT reversing, but I don't like the technical. And the volume is really light. MLGO still halted down. Imagine, guys, we got halted down twice. Here and there. The first time, once we get halted, we went down 15% really quick. And here, just 10%. There is no even time to stop the haltation around 10% exactly. That's why this was risky, guys. If there's no haltation, this MLGO could have jumped like 30% easily down because of panic. Panic is crazy, man. It's like fire. Whoa, 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 whoa. MLGO, guys, entered the channel and I think it's halted again. What a good timing to exit, guys, from MLGO here. Guys, MLGO was really good play, for my opinion. As a reminder, guys, MLGO, we discussed it before. We said the 3112 is the top target. Last update was around the 27th of March. And of course, we took profit around the 33 because we spotted a seller to launch a huge attack on MLGO. And we exited just right on this tip. Crazy exit, guys, for MLGO. Great hunt if you already exited from MLGO trade. Let me know, guys, if you exited from MLGO before this panic selling. Stay focused always, yes. It's not a maybe anymore. MLGO is a bear trap. It was bear trap over the $30. ICCT, it is the one, guys. It's still jumping up. ICCT is still jumping up. We only have 200 shares. And it's going toward the 538. We have a top target right now is about to be hit here for ICCT. Yeah, it looks juicy, guys. Yeah, ICCT, it might pull back. We have a bit of weakness. Yeah, I expect a pullback. Sometimes we pull back before even the resistance. It make me really frustrated when we have this kind of reaction for some stocks. Yeah, this one started to pull back a bit, guys. Because the 537, it is a strong resistance. Yeah, I think it's better to exit as well on this one. Yeah, it's time for a pullback as well for this. GRI still halted. Let's check. Guys, today is the haltation day. The 1st of April opened the gate of hell, opened the gate of volatility. What a crazy day, man. We got gate again halted. We got 4H. We got NMAX. One of you asked me about this. GRI. Yo, this crazy madness. Look at this list, guys. Look at that list. Big, humongous, tantalizing list. Let's see. This one is dead. This one, yeah, the volume is not my cup of tea, and this not my cup of milk. So yeah, this is leave us with ICT and MLGO for a flush here. Waiting for a reversal from the $20. If we got one, if we're gonna have a reversal, we should have it here, guys. Otherwise, we're gonna have a flush. So I'm gonna be ready for MLGO reversal. It would be great if we have a reversal right now. So yeah, I would be ready for a reversal entry. It is too dangerous, but dangerous is the name of the game. Waiting for the unhalting for MLGO. We're expecting a reversal just there over the 20. If we didn't, we're gonna have a flush. Big flush. So high risk, high reward, guys, for MLGO play right now. High risk, high reward. If you're not willing to take risks in life, you're gonna lose everything. Because technically, you're gonna lose yourself eventually. So why not taking risk? But of course, calculating risk. I'm not suggesting taking drugs or jumping from the high story building. No, 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 no. I'm not talking about this. Talking about normal risk, like taking action risk, not harming yourself risk, or playing with guns and sword and playing with ninjas or crocodiles. If you live in Miami, don't play with alligators if you don't want to die early. Mr. Flip Flop. Mr. Flip Flop, from your name, you're gonna wear flip flop all your life if you can take risk. But yeah, you're right, man. This one is almost gambling. So that's why we said it. It's high risk, high reward. And of course, don't enter with big position for this play. So the only one that look interesting for a play right now is ICCT because it's stable. And MLGO high risk because if reverse, it reverse really big, guys. Really quick. If it didn't, it's gonna go down and hold down really quick. So this is the trick right now for MLGO. I expect a pullback down almost 6%. And if we reverse, we could reverse 20% at least. Again, guys, MLGO, we already traded so many times. Last time was 27th of March when we said that 2070 is the target breakout and 3112 is the profit taking, the ultimate one. And we started spotting MLGO since 24th of March last month. Since the price was around the $5, imagine. Until the 30, guys. This one we rode it like riding a bull. This one is really crazy. Mr. Flip Flop. Yeah, yeah. This is the cost, man, for trading. You have to be flopped or you flop a lot in order to learn. The trick is to learn faster and learn from your mistake, not to repeat them. So it's impossible to do anything in life without making mistakes, unless you are uh, King Louis the 16th. You're kind of came from a legacy of kings where everything handed to you by the mouth, which is really rare right now. Kamikaze. Oh man, I love those warrior, man. Those warrior are the best. Kamikaze. I like it's really hard to find the mentality like kamikaze right now. We're still waiting for MLGO guys to reverse. ICCT time for a pullback. So everything's pulling back right now, guys. Look at that. MLGO pulled back, halted 3 times. ICCT pulled back. BIF, GRI. Here, the market is still sideways trading. So we have to be extremely careful. I'm just waiting for MLGO to see what's gonna happen, guys. This is it. I'm done for today, but I'm just checking MLGO play because if it reversed, guys, it could be really juicy. If it broke, I'm gonna go to sleep. If it broke right now, guys, unhold it right now. If it broke, I'm gonna go to sleep. If it broke the 2050, you see, we have a wick. Nice. Now we should get halted up. Otherwise, it's game over. If we broke right now, it will be game over. Still game on, guys. It's still game on because it's still holding this ascending channel. Nice. It's reversed. Nice. Now we need to jump until the 2287 at least. A quick reversal and exit. Nice. 2228. Come on, a little more. Nice. 2264. We might get halted around the 2444 and this will be perfect, man. Are we halted? I think we're halted, guys. Nice. Look at this juicy entry, man. We entered around $20. Mr. Flip Flop, this is a good lesson for you. Look at this perfect entry here. So yeah, we risked the entry, but I have like conviction that we're gonna have a reversal, man, just from the technical. And look at this, we did 12%, and now we're halted up. So I expect the price to go around the 24 and the 26, then maybe we flush more. So this is my exit right now. Let me just see. We might do another 12%, so in total we might do 20%. So nice hunt. Good hunt, guys, for MLGO. Great hunt, everybody. MLGO, a great dip. And now we waiting for the rib because now it's halted up. We halted once, second, third, and now the fourth time is halted up. And we expected the reversal. That's why we have a nice juicy entry around the $20. And now reversing up. Make sure to take a profit after done halting, guys, because it's really risky now. Because we expect a pullback really soon, around at least here the around the 2450 at least. Yeah, this is this zone that we might get shorted at. ICCT pulling back, BIFF pulling back. Yeah, the only one that look good right now is ICCT and MLGO. The rest of the market is kind of dead, man. Yusuf, LXRX, we already discussed it before. We said I don't like the trend, man. Yeah, yeah, I don't like the trend. It's like you asked me about getting back to my ex, you know? She's toxic, she's did crazy things to me. Then you tell me to go back to her. Man, I'm telling you, like, there's billions of other girls. Why you go back to this one? It mean there's a problem with you, you know? It mean you have attachment issue, you know? So for me, I let go, you know? If it's something is not good for me, I let it go and go to the one that give me positive things, that respect my value, you know? So MLGO respect my value and ICCT. So I would stay with those two girls because they are good girls. They listen to me. The other ones are bad girls. Okay, MLGO still waiting for the unhalting to get unhalted up potentially. BIAF guys it started to squeezing up. I think we're halted right now, or we almost halted. Yeah, almost halted. Guys, don't forget to hit the like button and the way in or the way out. Show some support. This is the least you can do, guys. Karma is good. If you bless the like button, the karma will treat you well. 6.6 million shares has been traded in the first 1 minute. Holy moly. ICCT is still, yeah, we got BIAF, guys. I think is halted around the 200%. Yeah, today is really active day, man. I don't know, because it's the 1st of April. RSLS is halted. Yeah, today is the haltation day. Finally, we got back the volatility. Yeah, the volatility is back, guys. RSLS is halted and jumped from the resistance. Yeah, today is the day for the haltation. So the best one is RSLS and BIAF. And of course, MLGO. Holy moly, MLGO is halted down right now. Wait a second. I don't like it right now, guys. We pull back down. Guys, MLGO is really risky right now, guys. It's too risky right now. Because now is unhalted and went down. It should have tested the 2450, man. So I don't like it that much. If we open below the 20, guys, if we open below the 20 is not good. It's time for run. It's time to run. Trump announced tariff tomorrow. Yes, this is, I think, the volatility reason. But yeah, I will wait for BIAF and RSLS on halting. I might do another update later on Discord because the market is really active. I'm gonna do update for MLGO, reversal zone, profit taken everywhere, every time on our Discord as usual, guys. All the update we're gonna do here on Discord. If we have a perfect entry, MLG, of course, we're gonna do update later on. And if we spotted a good swing trade, we're gonna put it on the King Elite swing trade. Last time we did for GameStop before the earnings, of course. For meantime, guys, thank you for watching. Great hunt for MLGO. And of course, see you back by tomorrow to trade the market together. Make sure to come early tomorrow, 30 minutes before the market open or around 9 a.m. Eastern time. And the early live streaming, of course, on our Discord and Bitcoin for better entry for many stocks like MLGO. It was best entry for today before the market open around the 7 a.m. Eastern time. So thank you for watching, guys, and see you by tomorrow. Stay blessed.